Why did God give rules after freedom?
Great question. First, after leaving Egypt, God's people reached Mount Sinai, where freedom felt exciting but confusing. Second, thunder, fire, and God's voice filled the mountain, showing this moment mattered deeply. Third, instead of more miracles, God gave guidance to help freedom last.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Freedom without guidance can feel overwhelming and unsafe. 2. God's rules were given to protect relationships and support wise living. 3. True freedom means knowing how to live well, not doing whatever we want.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Step 1. The brain feels safer with clear boundaries and expectations. Step 2. Structure supports the prefrontal cortex, helping with self-control and decision-making. Step 3. Guidance reduces chaos and allows growth to continue.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1. Rules can feel annoying when they limit freedom. Number 2. Too many choices without guidance can create stress and confusion. Number 3. Like Israel, people need structure to live well with others.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small daily choices shape character over time. Second, repeated obedience builds trust, peace, and strong community. Third, like guardrails on a road, rules keep journeys safe.
So, how do I start?
You are thinking in the right direction. 1. Think about one rule you usually resist. 2. Notice the feeling that comes up: frustration, impatience, or confusion. 3. Choose to follow one rule today with a good attitude.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. Step 1. Follow one rule today without complaining. Step 2. Notice how structure can bring calm instead of stress. Step 3. Comment one word that describes how rules feel to you and share this video with someone you love to grow wisdom together. Remember, God's voice at Sinai was strong and caring. Freedom needs guidance to last. Growth happens inside wise boundaries.
See you in the next episode.